Do you want to learn English? Subscribe to ESL classes.
Good morning, students. This is my second video related with subject-verb agreement. So in previous video, I taught you what is subject-verb agreement, how it works in English language, and how to determine whether the subject of a sentence is singular or plural. So in this video, we will have a look on some more rules and exceptions. Okay? And I think if you learn all these rules nicely, you will be able to do the further 4 exercises A, B, C, D. So let's have a look on the rules and the exception related with subject-verb agreement. Name of certain games, diseases and branch of knowledge which ends in S are singular. For example, billiards, mathematics, measles, physics, politics and mumps. Mumps is a serious illness. Mathematics is an important subject in modern world. Now in this both sentences we see that the subject mumps and mathematics, it carries S, means it ends in S, but the following verb is singular. Some plural noun when express a specific quantity and number become singular. For example, a 10 rupee note, a 3 months old baby. For example, a 10 rupee note was lying on the table. A 3 months old baby was crying bitterly. So in these two sentences we see that the subject of the sentence is expressing quantity and number. This is the reason that the following verb is singular. When two singular nouns are joined by and, always take plural verb. For example, Mohan and Rohan always come late. In the sentence we see that here two nouns Mohan and Rohan are joined by and, so the following verb is in plural form. But if they represent one idea, they take singular verb. For example, slow and steady wins the race. Here the two singular noun like slow and steady, they are also joined with the help of and, but they are representing and giving the singular idea. So the following verb is wins. Okay, the following verb is also singular. If two singular noun refers to the same person or thing, the following verb must be singular. For example, the poet and philosopher is dead. Here the subject, the poet and philosopher, is indicating towards one person. So the following verb is, that is singular. If article the is used once, then two nouns refers to the same person. So the verb will be singular. But if it's mentioned twice, then it refers to two persons. And the following verb should be plural. For example, the poet and the philosopher are dead. Here we see that the poet and the philosopher. Because article the is used twice, it is referring to two different persons. So the following verb is also plural. If two singular nouns are joined by and are preceded by each or every, the following verb remains in singular form. For example, each day and each hour brings us fresh anxiety. Every man and every woman in the village was terrified. Here we see that in the first sentence, day and hour are singular nouns and are joined by and, but they are preceded by each, means the each comes first. So in such sentences, when each and every come first, the following verb should be in singular form. two or more singular subjects when connected by or, nor, either or, neither nor. They always take singular verb. For example, either Mohan or Rohan has made this mistake. Neither he nor I was mistaken. Here we see that two subject in the first sentence, two subject, Mohan and Rohan, they are they are connected by either or. So the following verb has is singular. In the same way, neither he nor I, here despite the fact that there are two subject he and I, but they are connected with neither nor. So the following verb should be singular, that is was. So you can bear in mind that if one of the nouns is plural, then following verb will be plural. For example, John or his brothers are to be blamed. If the same sentence we see that the first noun is singular but the second noun is plural, then the verb will be according to the second plural noun. If two nouns are joined by with or as well as, then the following verb agree with the first noun. For example, Rama as well as her friends has won the prize. Here we see that Rama and her friends, they are connected with as well as. So the following verb is singular, despite the fact that the second noun is friends, that is plural. But when we connect it with and as well as, then the following verb should be singular and only singular.